Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Venezuela and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Venezuela remains in the midst of a severe political and humanitarian crisis, marked by widespread human rights violations, economic collapse, and government repression. Security forces and pro-government groups routinely target political opponents, protesters, journalists, and human rights defenders with arbitrary detention, torture, and forced disappearances. Those who criticize the government, including students, trade union leaders, and members of opposition parties, are often charged under vague terrorism or incitement laws. Peaceful demonstrations are frequently met with excessive force, and detainees report beatings, sexual violence, and denial of medical care. Ordinary citizens also face danger due to the breakdown of the justice system and the expansion of armed groups that operate with impunity. Women and girls are particularly vulnerable to gender-based violence and trafficking, while access to justice remains weak or non-existent. LGBT individuals face harassment, discrimination, and violence, with no legal protections in place. Although same-sex activity is not criminalized, authorities often fail to investigate hate crimes and abuse. Returnees may face persecution for having fled or applied for asylum, especially if they are accused of disloyalty to the regime or if they engaged in political activity abroad. There have been credible reports of interrogation, surveillance, and retribution upon return. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.